Most people don't fail financially. They drift. 3 years pass whether you build or not. Most people earn, spend, upgrade, repeat, and 36 months later, nothing changed. The goal of this video is simple. Use 3 years intentionally, because 36 focused months can change your entire trajectory. Before you build anything, you need truth. You must know your exact monthly expenses, your total debt with interest rates, your current savings, your full income breakdown, and your net worth. No rounding, no guessing. Most people avoid clarity because it's uncomfortable, but clarity removes illusion, and illusion destroys planning. Year 1 is not about wealth, it's about stability. Your goals: build 6 months of emergency savings, eliminate high-interest debt, reduce unnecessary fixed expenses, and increase income by at least 20%. You are building foundation. Without foundation, acceleration collapses. Your fixed expenses determine your flexibility. Focus on car payments, oversized housing, subscription creep, financing habits. Lower fixed costs equal higher resilience. Resilience is financial power. Any interest above 8 to 10% is compounding against you. Debt blocks wealth creation. Remove credit cards, personal loans, high-interest consumer financing. Freedom begins with negative compounding removed. Cutting expenses has limits. Income expansion has leverage. Options include job switch, skill upgrade, freelancing, side business, negotiation. By end of year 1, you should be stable, not wealthy, stable. Now that you're stable, you accelerate. Targets: invest 30 to 40% of income. Grow income another 20%. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Automate investing. This is momentum year. Remove emotion. Automate contributions into index funds, retirement accounts, diversified portfolios, assets aligned with your risk tolerance. Consistency greater than intensity. Compounding begins here. Year 2 is dangerous. Income rises. Temptation rises. Upgrade pressure increases. You must resist premature lifestyle expansion. Acceleration requires compression. Your income potential is your greatest asset. Invest in high-value skills, certifications, network expansion, industry leverage. Income growth fuels capital growth. Now you move from growth to leverage. Targets: 12 to 24 months of expenses covered in assets, multiple income streams, significant net worth growth, career flexibility. Optionality is the goal. Only now consider real estate, business ownership, equity participation, higher growth allocations. Risk without base is gambling. Risk with base is leverage. At this stage, ask, if I lost my job tomorrow, how long could I survive? If the answer is 12 plus months, you've shifted power. Power changes behavior. Behavior changes trajectory. If executed correctly, after 3 years, you should have 0 high-interest debt, strong income growth, automated investments, real net worth growth, financial resilience, psychological stability. Not retirement, but transformation. The biggest change isn't money, it's identity. You become less reactive, less stressed, more strategic, more patient. You stop living month to month. You start thinking decade to decade. 3 years of discipline is rare. Most people won't do it. They will consume content, feel motivated, do nothing. Execution is rare. That's why results are rare. Year 1, stabilize. Year 2, accelerate. Year 3, leverage. After that, compounding carries you. 3 years, 36 months, 1,095 days. Most people waste them. Few build with them. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified professional before making financial decisions. If you committed to a 3-year reset, what would you fix first? Debt? Income? Investments? Comment below. And if you want more structured, realistic financial frameworks, subscribe. We don't drift, we build.